Hey guys, we're gonna go ahead and do some more story problems together today, okay? So this one in your packet, you're gonna get the one that has fly birdie and it has a little birdie on it. And then on the other side, it has the quackling duck and the quack, 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 okay? So make sure you get that paper and get something to write with. You can get some counters if you want to, and you can also write it and draw it with me, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and flip the camera and I'm gonna read you the story problem. So we're gonna try to figure them out. All right, this time we're going to keep going. Let's see what is new, if there is anything new. Let's read the story first, okay? Let's see. There were 7 ducks in the pond. 2 ducks waddled away. How many ducks are left? When you hear that word left, I want you guys to think of subtraction. It goes away. It's no more there because it went away. Left and away are the same thing, okay? So now remember, in subtraction, we always do our biggest number first, right? So it says 7, so we need to have 7 ducks. So we can draw 7 ducks on our paper. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, so I have 7 ducks. Okay, so you can draw 7 ducks on your picture or get 7 counters. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so now I have 7 ducks, okay? And then 7 ducks in my picture. And it said in the problem, there were 7 ducks in the pond. 2 ducks waddled away. How many ducks are left? So 2 ducks went away. So if you have counters, take 2 away. 1, 2. All right, how many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are left. So let's leave those 5 counters right there. Let's look at our picture. If you drew pictures, it said that there were 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 2 ducks went away. So that means we're going to cross off 2 ducks. And it does not matter what 2 you cross off as long as you only cross off 2. So Miss Keegan's going to cross off this one. Here's 1. Here's 2. How many ducks do I have left that are not crossed off? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Didn't I have 5 counters up here? Ooh, so that matches. All right, let's do the story problem on a number line. Now, this is a little bit different, okay? So on a number line, and when we add, we go this way. That means the numbers get bigger. Well, with subtraction, numbers get smaller. So we have to go to the left on a number line when we have a subtraction problem. So there were 7 ducks in the pond. So I'm going to put my dot on 7, okay? Because that's the biggest number, right? Subtraction, big number goes first. 2 ducks waddled away. That means they got crossed off. They ran away. They're gone. So we're actually going to go backwards, okay? Because we want our numbers to get smaller. Subtraction means to go smaller. So each number is a jump, okay? So we still have to jump 2. 1, 2. What number did I stop at? I stopped at 5, didn't I? Didn't I have 5 left over here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 5 left over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 7 minus or take away 2 is 5. So we're going to go ahead and do our math sentence or math equation, okay? So the biggest number always goes first because it's subtraction, and our biggest number is 7, right? So I'm going to write a 7 here. Now 2 went away. So my next add-in is 2. All right, so 7 minus 2 equals, remember there is 5 here, and 5 here, equals 5. So my answer is 5. So 7 minus 2 equals 5. Can you guys say that for me? Good job. Let's read that problem one more time. There were 7 ducks in the pond. 2 ducks waddled away. How many ducks are left? Remember that when you hear that word left, that it's going to be subtraction, and there's 5. So good job on that, guys. We're going to flip it over, and let's see what happens with the fly birdie, okay? This one, let's read the problem and see if we're going to add or subtract with this one. It says 8 birds were on the fence. 2 birds flew away. How many birds are left? Remember, we have that word left, so that means we're going to do subtraction, right? Take it away. So it says that we have 8 birds, and that's the biggest number, so we need 8 birds first. So here we go. Here's 1 bird. Oh, there we go. So here's 1 bird. Here's 2 birds. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 8 birds, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, 2 birds flew away. That means we're going to cross off 2 of them, okay? And it doesn't matter what 2 you cross off, as long as you only cross off 2. So here's 1, here's 2. All right, how many birds are left? Let's count how many birds are left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 left, okay? So we can also do it with our counters. So let Miss Keegan pretend that my counters are birds. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so we have 8 here. We had 8 birds. 2 birds flew away. So I'm going to take away 2. Here's 1, 2. How many birds are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's 6. Let's see. Did we have 6 down here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We did. Now let's do it on our number line. Now remember, it says 8 birds. So we're going to put the dot on 8. Now, subtraction means we go backwards, right? We want the number to get smaller because things are going away. So we're going to jump 2 backwards. So we're going to go 1, 2. What number did we stop at? We stopped at 6. And didn't we have 6 here and 6 here? So we need to write our math equation, our math sentence. And it says 8 birds. And remember, subtraction, the biggest number goes first, right? So 8 is bigger than 2. So we have to put that 8 right here. Take away 2 because our story says 2. So I'm going to go ahead and do a 2 here. So 8 take away 2 equals 6, didn't it? For everything that we had. So my answer is 6. So we found out from our story that 8 minus 2 equals 6. Can you guys say that for me? Good job, guys. We're going to read the story one more time, okay? 8 birds were on the fence. Here's my 8 birds all together, right? 2 birds flew away. Crossed off 2. How many birds are left? That means subtract. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 birds left. You guys did great doing those problems. We'll do some more tomorrow.